Okay, everyone, let's learn together. When you want to return something at a store, you need some essential phrases. These are like your conversation superpowers. Ready?
Ready. I have my notebook.
Good. The first phrase is very important. It's simple and polite. Listen, I'd like to return this, please.
I'd like to return this, please. That sounds very professional.
Yes, I'd like is more polite than I want. Let's say it together, slowly. Everyone listening, say it with us. I'd like to return this, please.
Slowly. I'd like to return this, please.
Beautiful. Now, when you say this, you can point to the item, the shirt, the shoes, the pants, whatever you bought. Jacob, practice with me. Pretend I'm Sarah at the store.
Okay. Excuse me, Sarah. I'd like to return this, please.
Of course. Can I ask why you're returning it?
Oh, what do I say now?
Good question. You can be honest. You can say, it doesn't fit, or it's too small, or it's too big. Very simple.
It doesn't fit. I like that. It's short and clear.
Exactly. Let's practice again. I'll be Sarah. You start.
Excuse me, I'd like to return this, please.
Sure. Why are you returning it?
It doesn't fit. It's too small.
No problem. Do you have your receipt?
Oh, the receipt. Yes, here's another important phrase. I have the receipt right here.
Perfect, Jacob. The receipt is very, very important. It's your proof that you bought the item, the paper from the cash register. Without it, returning things is very difficult.
So I say, I have the receipt right here, and I give the paper to Sarah.
Yes, let's say it together. I have the receipt right here.
With listeners, I have the receipt right here.
Excellent. Now, sometimes you don't want your money back. Maybe you want a different size. Maybe the small shirt doesn't fit, but you want the same shirt in medium or large. What do you say?
I want a bigger shirt.
Close, but we can make it more polite. Listen, can I exchange this for a larger size?
Can I exchange this for a larger size? What does exchange mean?
Good question. Exchange means to trade. You give the small shirt and you get a larger shirt. Same price, different size. It's like a swap.
Oh, I understand. So if the shirt is too big, I can say, can I exchange this for a smaller size?
Perfect. You've got it. Let's practice that phrase. Can I exchange this for a larger size?
With listeners, can I exchange this for a larger size?